Okay, everybody, we're doing an egg drop test.
Egg drop.
Wait, I've got to go down there to get it.
No.
Name who did this.
No.
Simple egg.
Why'd you have to say that? No, don't.
Your teacher's
Gotta
name.
get down there.
No, you don't. We can do that later.
Ew. I put my finger on some toast.
I've got to make sure it's cracked. It's cracked. You can censor that out, by the way.
Why don't you have Mitchell on the camera?
Sure, hold it.
No,
Do what you
it's
want.
too much. Oh, this one?
New from Corey X
Nate, I hate that guy.
And why are you
I don't know. I subscribed to him years ago. Like a year ago.
scared?
See, the egg is nice and... Ethan, stop. You're going to get it out of focus. Okay. You see? So Ben is coming on his way. Let's see if it drops. Nice filming, dude.
You're welcome.
No, stop. You don't...
Let's go get it.
Stop. Freaking gay log.
You're gay.
You would say. Mitchell, did you even get the drop?
No.
Great.
But Ethan did.
Oh! I wonder if it dropped. Wait,
I
hey,
think
guys.
I think it might be cracked.
Wait,
Thank
wait. Let me try something.
No! Ah! No! That didn't click with me. See, look what you did to my nice shirt. At least you didn't get it right here. Ah! Oh, you nasty!
Oh, we're doing an egg drop test.
He threw an egg at me. My idea. Hey, Mitchell. Hurry, it's leaking. Ah, no, please! Ah!
Oh, the yolk.
No. Please, no. Okay, that's it. You know,
Actually, stop. Oh no, you got it out.
well, that's how it feels.
It didn't even hurt.
I'm not.
Hey guys, the parachute works.
Look
Dude.
at all this stuff you got on me.
Look, the parachute works.
You're right.
You got it all over
Throw
me.
that at me again. I
No,
dare
no,
you.
don't.
You threw it at me 3 times.
No, I didn't.
I did.
No, I didn't. You
Yeah,
can
I
count
did.
it on the camera. Give it back. Suck. Hey, that was a successful drop test. I think it survived.